Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or we discuss with you, how to unlock home screen layout on Android. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to unlock your home screen here and maybe move around your apps, well, there are a few things that you need to check here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to access your settings. Now, just to give you some idea, if you try pressing and holding on certain apps in here, you won't be able to move certain apps here if a specific setting is actually turned on. As you can see, unable to move the apps here. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and access the settings. So we want to go and just press and hold on any of the empty spaces in your home screen. So in my case, I'm going to just press and hold on the empty spaces, just not on the direct app itself. Any empty space is good enough. But once you do press and hold it for like 2 to 3 seconds, you should see this UI. Now, from here, you want to access your settings at the very bottom of your screen. Now, depends on your mobile device. Sometimes it's going to be at the very top. Again, you just need to look for settings. Let's go and choose settings. Now, inside settings here, you want to go ahead and just scroll down a bit here and look for the option that says lock home screen layout. Now, what you need to do is you want to make sure that this is actually disabled. And once you've done that, you want to go and click on the X at the top left. And by the way, if you can't see lock home screen layout, you want to go and click on the more option and look for it. But once you've done that, let's go and click on the X. And from here, let's go and click on done. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, if you press and hold on the apps here, we can now move it around, as you can see. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.